Hey guys, welcome to video 2 of lesson 5, where we are working on converting measurements, right? Converting measurements. And we have a video that I'm pulling up right now, converting measurements from smaller measurements to larger measurements like inches to feet, seconds to minutes, or seconds to hours. Okay, so let's check out this video. Conversion confusion. Okay, so why is the man in the video, Mr. Perez? Why is he look confused? What was the problem there? Did you notice? He was measuring in inches, but the form was asking for feet. Yeah. So what do you think he should do? Convert the number of inches to feet so that he orders the right size, right? Sounds like a good idea. Well, let's estimate. Will the number of feet be more or less than 30? Yeah, definitely less than 30, right? Because feet are much longer than inches. 30 feet is longer than our classroom. Definitely too big for his window. Okay? Will there be a whole number of feet equal to 30 inches? 12 inches in a foot. 12, 24, 36. Yeah. Not sure that 30 is a multiple of 12. No, not going to work out exactly. About how many feet do you think it'll be? 30 inches? About 2 feet, right? Because 2 feet is 36 inches. So about 2 feet would be 30 inches. All right. So now we need to convert 30 inches to feet. Let's see. We have a little space here. We could do that. I think so. Oh, let's get pink today. Okay. So 30. Remember, you're writing this down, taking good notes. 30 inches is the same as 30 times 1 inch, right? Okay. So then we're going to substitute, instead of 1 inch, we're going to substitute with 1/12 of a foot, because 1 inch is the same as 1/12 of a foot. Yes, these two are the same. All right, so then we have 30, remember that it's a whole number, 30 twelfths. Very good. All right, but it's an improper fraction, so we have to change it to a mixed number. 30 divided by 12. Well, we already said 12, 24, right? So that's 2, and 24, 30 minus 24 would be 6 twelfths. And 6 is half of 12, so we need 2 and 1/2. Sorry, I don't know why I put that dot there. There we go. 2.5 feet, right? 3/12 is the same as 2.5 feet. Is that correct? Yes. Very good. Should Mr. Perez write 3/12 feet on the order form, or should he write 2.5 feet? Yes, I think you should write 2.5 feet too, since It makes a lot more sense for the people who are doing the ordering, right? Okay, let's jump into number 1 in your book. Make sure you have this written down. Okay, very good. Jumping into number 1 in your book. There we go. A restaurant has 56 ounces of tomatoes. How many pounds of tomatoes does the restaurant have? Uh-oh, we have to change ounces to pounds. So we need to know how many ounces are in a pound. It is on your reference sheet, page 41, but it's right here as well. 16 ounces in a pound, so 1 ounce. Now, if we're thinking about what we've been working on, this 1 ounce is 1/16 of a pound, right? Okay, very good. So let's write our conversion factors. 56 times 1 ounce. That's the same thing as 56 ounces, right? 56 ounces, 56 times 1 ounce. Now we can convert it. 56 times 1/16 of a pound. And remember, pound can be abbreviated LB. All right, so now that we have 56/16, we can multiply those together. 56 divided by 16, or 56/16. And it's an improper fraction, so we have to divide. Good thing that you have a lot of practice with this, right? 56 divided by 16. How many times do you think it's going to go in there? Well, let's see. 16 is close to 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. 15 times 4 is 60, so that would be too big. So let's go with 3, remembering that it's 16, not 15, right? 16 times 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Oh, I didn't write that very neatly. 8. 48. Okay. And 56 minus 48. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, so that would be 3 8/16, right? I'm going to make my 8s a little bit better. That didn't really turn out too much better. Now we notice that 8 is half of 16, so we could even make it a little bit better by saying 3.5 pounds. Please write a sentence saying that the restaurant now has 3.5 pounds of tomatoes. Excellent job. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll continue with lesson 2. Fabulous job. Aloha.